Most people spend their entire lives working for money, without realizing that the wealthy have always made money work for them. Every day, millions of people are tempted by advertisements designed to keep them spending instead of building wealth. Behind closed doors, billionaires carefully follow a set of financial rules that rarely appear in schools or textbooks. One of those rules can be summed up in just a few words. Understand how money actually behaves. Studies consistently show that many millionaires built their fortunes gradually, rather than inheriting them overnight. While some people spend their income on liabilities, others use the same money to acquire assets that generate more income. The wealthy don't ask, "What can I buy?" They ask, "What can I own that will pay me forever?" Money sitting idle slowly loses value. But money invested has the potential to multiply over time. That is why tracking your expenses is often the first step toward taking control of your financial future. Eventually, the biggest financial revelation becomes impossible to ignore. Money must work for you. The difference between assets and liabilities may be one of the most important lessons never taught in school. A luxury car can lose value every year, while an investment can continue growing long after you purchase it. Wealthy individuals tend to make financial decisions based on long-term outcome rather than short-term emotions. Even a small investment, given enough time, can grow into something extraordinary. Time is the invisible force behind nearly every great fortune in history. This is why many wealthy people avoid unnecessary purchases, no matter how impressive they may seem. The moment you begin investing, you stop depending entirely on your paycheck. Over time, the gap between investing and merely saving becomes larger than most people imagine. Your first investment may not make you rich, but it can change the direction of your life forever. Every fortune begins with a single decision repeated consistently over many years. Financial education is not a luxury. It is one of the most valuable investments you can ever make. The power of compound growth rewards patience far more than intelligence or luck. Successful people rarely keep their knowledge to themselves because principles remain valuable across generations. Learning to delay gratification is often the hidden skill behind long-term wealth. Small amounts of money invested consistently can eventually produce remarkable results. Many billionaires spend more time reading and learning than most people realize. A budget is not a restriction. It is a plan that gives your money a purpose. The choices you make today quietly shape the financial reality you will experience tomorrow. Progress in building wealth is often so gradual that it becomes visible only when viewed over many years. Wealth is rarely an event. It is usually the result of repeated habits. Looking back, many successful investors wish they had started much earlier in life. Every disciplined financial decision becomes another step toward freedom. Time can either become your greatest ally or your greatest regret. Teaching financial principles to others is one of the most meaningful forms of wealth. Compound interest has been called one of the most powerful forces ever discovered. If the wealthy could give only one piece of advice, many would simply say, "Start now." Confidence grows when your actions align with the future you want to create. Most people spend their lives following the crowd, while wealth often rewards independent thinking. One day, your future self will either thank you for today's decisions or wish you had made different ones. In the end, the money rule billionaires don't want you to know is surprisingly simple. Make money work for you.